unboxing time. Let's see. I think there are a lot of exciting gifts and let's see. Unpack this one. It's a book, I know for sure. Let's just see which book it is. Holy goodness, it is How to Avoid a Climate Disaster by Bill Gates. Like, I have been waiting to read this book for such a long time, but oh my god, this is the best gift. Like, I love the smell. Unpack this. It's denim shorts. Whoa! 3? Wow! I have 1, 2, 3 denim shorts. இப்போ கோவா கண்டிப்பாக போயே ஆகணும் this. What is it? Is it a top? It's from you? Thank you! I think it's again a mustard yellow. I really like mustard yellow color, so they've gifted me a mustard yellow top. Yeah, thank you. It's a sling bag! Oh my god, yeah. It's a lovely color. It's such a cute sling bag. See this? It's so cute. I like this. I think it's a bag again. You know, I'm so sad my birthday will end in like 2 hours. It's like only birthday everyone gets to pamper you. Everyone pampers you. And the rest 364 days, nothing. Yarum kanduka matanga. True, right? Oh my holy goodness. This is such a cute boho bag. This again I think is books because it looks like the greatness guide. Whoa, you can. I haven't read George Matthew Adams' books yet, but I'm sure they are good. Book is good. Yeah, which book is it? Like honestly, I love books. And Robin Sharma is my favorite author. I've read The 5 AM Club. I've read The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I keep following him on Instagram as a coach, so I really like Robin Sharma's books. So again, they are like one of the best gifts you can give it to anyone. So thank you. Return the package. Timex. It's a watch. Wow! 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 It looks so pretty. Whoa! I really appreciate it. Like, oh, very, very, very pretty gift. I love it. Oh my god! Look at this. One is a book. It's a spiral binded book. Dream, Believe, Achieve. These are the words I truly believe in. I keep telling it, so all the people who know me know that this has been my mantra, like dream, believe, achieve. And this one is it's a planner. It is a customized planner. Oh my god, really, really need it. I love this gift. I truly love it. And I think, okay, so I have a caffeine face serum. So yeah, right. I have a caffeine face serum. And then I have a red onion face cream. And then I have the aloe vera gel. It's a jade roller, really. It's a jade. That's how it is done. Every time I saw on Instagram, I think from 1 year, that the benefits of this and everyone who've been using it, I've been wanting. I'm like, sorry, wish list la potu vechirundhen. I'm like, I'll get it now, I'll get it later, I'll get it when there is a sale and everything, but it just didn't happen to. Again, your friends nallavi note panni vechirukanga, and this is one of the bestest gifts, the jade roller. So super happy. I kinda expected that. Now for the last gift of the day, hopefully. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. There are a lot of gifts inside. Again, from very, very two special friends. I can term it as family friends also. Okay. So first it's the. It looks so cute. It looks so cute. Okay, I don't know what that is. It's the ellipse store. Okay. Wow. It's the star and the moon. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cute. Summer. Pretty. I've been hunting for such pendants. Okay, I'll have to cut that out. Okay, again, I think it's from the same store. Very fancy packaging. I like that packaging. Very fancy packaging. It's a ring. Wow. Holy wow. Yeah, it fits perfectly here. How did you know my ring size? It's summer. Pretty. Ayyo. Good job. I honestly didn't expect her to do this. It's a sippy glass. A sippy glass. Oh my god. It's a sippy glass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how gorgeous this is. I love this. Oh my god. Okay, stop judging me. I do have the habit of smelling whatever. Very thoughtful. Because this is something that I actually wanted to get myself. Very thoughtful. Tell me about it. It's a feet spray. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so a little story about this. This is from the Studio West. So a little backstory about this is there used to be a fragrance called Almond and Peach Studio West side, and I really liked that perfume. ஒரு வாட்டி தான் வாங்கினேன், and then after that they stopped the production. Like I don't know, it just wasn't available in any of the outlets. And then நானும் 4-5 வாட்டி வேறு பிரான்ச்சுக்கு போயிட்டு I asked the receptionist there, the billing counter, and they were like, no, the production doesn't come, it's not in stock and everything. But I think my friend has got me a very similar flavor that is of the peach, again from Studio West. So it does have a very similar taste, and like I liking a perfume like particular. I'm very picky about the fragrances that I like. I don't like all the fragrances because I start getting headache and nauseous. So I really like that. How many candles are too many candles, bro? Tell me, bro. Thank you. Wow, this smells so good. I wish technology had the thing to transfer the smell, but no, my friend, this is for me. Again. This is jasmine. I'm sure my mom is going to love this because she loves the smell of jasmine. So that, and yeah, this is rose smell. Miniso's candles are way, yeah. Everyone, scented candles na ninga Bath and Body Works inda vaanganonu illa. Miniso has really good range of scented candles. You must definitely go check them out. And I think there's one more gift. Let me go quickly get it. Actually, நான் நிறையா பார்க்க மாட்டேன், or பார்க்கலாம் இருந்தாலும் ஃபுல்லாலாம் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணதில்லை. பட் there's this one particular series that நான் உட்காந்து ஃபுல்லாக டெடிக்கேட்டடாக பார்த்து ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னா, that is Friends. And only Friends. இப்போ நான் வேறு எந்த வெப் சீரிஸும் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்ததே இல்லை. So because of that, one of my friends told you that I was gonna be this way. Our friends merchandise. Super happy. So these are all the super thoughtful gifts that I've got. I can't even tell you guys how grateful I'm feeling at the moment. And of course, this is the gift that I gave to myself. This is the one my mom got. இதை நான் அன்பாக் பண்ணல, அவங்க பர்த்டேக்கு முன்னாடியே எனக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இட்ஸ் a ethnic dress. So that's what it is. honestly, I'm very grateful. I'm super grateful in a very lovely friends, family, and ஒரு கிஃப்ட்டுக்கும் பின்னாடி the thought that they would have put in, the energy that they would have put in buying that gift, that is what means the most to me. So super grateful for all of them, and yeah, I'm just enjoying sharing this experience with all of you because vlogging வந்து சும்மா மற்றவங்காக இல்லை ஷோ ஆஃப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சீன் போடுறதுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் யோசிக்கலாம். பட் நான் என்ன பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூவில் யோசிக்கிறேன்னா ஃப்யூச்சரில் நானே வந்துட்டு இஃப் ஐ வாண்ட் டு லுக் பேக், இஃப் ஐ வாண்ட் டு செரிஷ் மை மெமரிஸ், இஃப் ஐ வாண்ட் டு ரீலிவ் மை மெமரிஸ்னால் த பெஸ்ட் வே இட் இஸ் டு வாட்ச் த vlog. அதனால தான் மெயினாக vlogging. So yeah, I'm happy doing it, and I really hope this 22nd year it is a turning point. I really want to do good on YouTube and other platforms, so I just hope I give my best into it. So next I'm just gonna have a freshen up. I don't know what is the next plan. Just come along with me, please. After the cake cutting, my friends had arranged for a lovely staycation at a hotel named Citadine. It was super cute. They made the decoration. I'm showing you the room tour. The balcony looks amazing. It was a breathtaking view. So guys, ஒரு 2 நாள் செலிப்ரேஷன் பண்ணியாச்சு பர்த்டேன்னு. It was so much fun, honestly. 22 at its best, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here. To each and every one of you who took time to wish me, message me, story போட்டதுக்கு, post போட்டதுக்கு, and then coming here, giving me the surprise, to each and every one of you, thank you. It really means a lot to me. It really means a lot to me. I'm just very overwhelmed and very happy right now. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Bye. I'll see you very soon. Also, in the Mari vlogs, if you'd like to see more, please tell me in the comment section below. And you know the drill. Puduchinda, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. This is officially, yes, my first video. I am super happy about it. Yeah, Kyadi Dagas YouTube channel.